Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am your favorite YouTuber. Yes, I am Adiah. And this is my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, hi girl, boy, what's up? I hope you do stay, and if you're not, thank you for coming back too. You're a real one. Okay, so today, so many rhymes. Oh my god. I'm going to be telling you guys 5 apps I use for productivity, for finance, to pay my daggone bills, because we grown-ups now, girls, ladies and gentlemen, we grown up, and yeah. The first on my list is BUYPOWERNG. Now I use this to pay for electricity. I cannot talk. I use this to pay for my electrical bills, electricity, buy units for my meter. Anyways, in my compound we use prepaid, so that means you get to buy units. You don't pay the bills like regular. Girl, I don't know. But I use BUYPOWER to pay my bills. Now it's very easy to use it. Their websites, I will leave the website or links to all the things in the description so you can check them out. The best part about this is once you buy a unit one time, it saves like the meter, it saves the card, it saves the address, it saves everything. So all you have to do, and it even saves like the amount you bought. So all you have to do is like buy again if you're repurchasing, or key in the new amount you want to buy, if that makes any sense. So I really like the app for that. And then for everything, it costs 100 naira service charge, and I think that's pretty fair for the kind of convenience it provides, because girl, I would never queue up to get it. So yeah. So I use BUYPOWERNG. I highly recommend it though if you pay your bills. I don't know about any other country, but I know it works in Nigeria. Check it out. The second app I use is PIGGYVEST. Now, word on the street is when a girl has PIGGYVEST on her phone, she has money. I don't know who told you that, but okay, I claim it. Amen. I use PIGGYVEST to save money. I don't use it for anything else. I use it to save money. Now, it has this cool auto-debit thing, so it takes money out of my account seamlessly without me even knowing. And the next thing I see is the debit alert, and my God is good. Because I don't know, this thing about saving money where you keep putting it off until you spend the money. I know that's happened to me. So I like how that feature works, and I set it for a specific day, and the money just goes in, and I don't have to think about it. So yeah, I really like it. The UI is very friendly, and I don't know, it's a Nigerian company that owns it, which is pretty cute. I don't know why that's cute, but that's just cute. Argue with yourself, girl. Let me know which of the apps I mentioned you would be checking out. Another one I use is Any.do. Now I use Any.do for like a to-do list type, reminder type, jot down things when they come to my head type situation. Now I use Any.do to write down video ideas. You know, like you can just be moving around your day and then boom, a video idea pops in your head. I just write it down at Any.do. When I have like things I have to do, like schedule tasks or things I need to do in the future, well, I know like my brain will not remind me, I leave it to Any.do to remind me. So I just put it there, put the time, and I set it to remind me like a couple of days to it, so I don't get, you know. So yeah, I use it for productivity. It helps me just like keep track of everything, like everything I need to do. It's very easy because it has like on the notification bar, at least for my phone, and you can just go on there and click to add instead of going directly into the app, which is something I really like. I recommend you try Any.do. So another app I use, this one is for finance, is Money Manager. Money Manager basically helps me manage my money. So it helps me track my spending. So what I do is that every day, at the end of every day or the beginning of the next day, depending, I key in everything I spend for the day. So it tracks the different categories. You can set up different categories. So I have like food, transport, church, whatever, just whatever you spend your money on, you can try to like categorize them. And every day, at the end of every day, at least that's what I do, I put in, I spent so on transport, I spend this on food, I spend this on that. So it just lets you track your money. So by the end of the month, you can export your spending as an Excel sheet, which I think is so good. Like, it comes in handy so much because for a couple of months now I've been tracking my finance, and that just helps me like just get all the spending instead of me having to key it in every single day, which is crazy. So I just like have it, and I can, you know, I can work with it, save it, just know how I'm spending my money, where my money is going to, all of that stuff. You know, you can also key in how you get money. So if it's like maybe salary, investments, gifts, whatever, you can key in how you get money as well. Last but not the least on this list, the last but not the least is cowrywise. Now I use cowrywise for P2P investments, or you can call it mutual investment funds. Yeah. So basically, mutual fund is, so all you have to do is you purchase units, depending on how much per unit you purchase units, and your money works for you. You get like either a quarterly or a monthly stipend, kind of like an allowance on what your money is making per month, and then you know that kind of just builds up over the year. So I set that up. I mean, right now I don't have money in there because I had to take out the money, but I definitely use that for P2P investments, and I will be going back to that in a short while. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really liked it. Let me know which of the apps you use, like which of the ones I mentioned that you use. I would have a link to all the apps in the description. Most of them are web applications anyways, so I would have a link to the website in the description, and for those of the apps that are, you know, just mobile apps, I will just have the name, and you can just check them on Play Store, App Store, whatever you use, and I'm sure you'll be able to get them. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.